Today, in this video, we will learn about Wordpad in Windows. So, what is the use of Wordpad? Using Wordpad, we can write letters, stories, poems, and many more. Also, we can create, edit, and format documents. Now, we will learn how to open a Wordpad. There are few steps to open a Wordpad. Let's see them out. Click on the Start button here in the corner. Then click on All Programs. After that, click on Accessories. And finally, select Wordpad. We have another way to open Wordpad. Select on Start button, then from Search option, type here Wordpad. Select Wordpad and Wordpad is here for you. After opening Wordpad, you can find the title bar here in the above. This is the ruler. Status bar in the bottom. In the right corner, we have control buttons, minimize, maximize, and close. This is the minimize button. This is the maximize button and close button. When we click on the minimize button, the window moves here to the taskbar. Using the maximize button increases the size of the window. And clicking on the close button, it closes the window. This is the cursor. Then we have formatting text. We can change the style, color, size of the text to make it more attractive. So after opening the Wordpad, at first we are typing here computer is my favorite subject. We can type anything. For now, I am typing computer is my favorite subject. Now after that, we have to select the text. How to select? Bring the cursor to this left side of the text and using the left button of the mouse, you can select the text in this way. After that, we want to bold the text. So how to bold the text? Just go to this option, B option. Using this B option, that is bold option, after we click, see the text got bold. Now again select the text and then come here to the I option, that is italic. Clicking on the I option, your text get tilted or italic. Again, you can select the text and select the U button, that is the underline button. Using the underline option, you can underline your text in this way. I will also show you how to change the size of the text. So again, select the text in the same way and come to this option. See, you can see so many numbers here. Using any of the numbers, you can change the size of your text according to your requirements. Now, it's time to change the style of the text. Select the text, come to this option, select the text according to your requirements and your text will get changed in this way. Keep your eye on the screen and follow me. Now I will show you how to select a particular word. Either you can select the left mouse button and bring your cursor to the left of the text and move it to the right. In this way you can select, or you can double click on a particular word you want to select. See, I'm doing it for you. Now it's time to save a file in Wordpad. So at first we need to write something here in the typing area. So I am typing, it is a rainy day and it is a rainy day. I am going to school. After writing something here, then go to the file option, click on the save option and a save as dialog box appears here. Now we want to save it in the desktop, so select desktop, then change the name of the file. You can name your file. Now I am naming my file to rainy day. Rainy day. And then finally I'm clicking on the save option. See, my file got saved, and in the title bar here you can see it got changed to rainy day. This is how you can save a file in Wordpad. There is also a shortcut keys for saving a file in Wordpad. You can press Ctrl plus S using your keyboard to save a particular file. So suppose here I am writing where is my pencil, and I want to save it using the shortcut keys, that is using my keyboard. So in the keyboard I am pressing Ctrl and S button. And see, save as dialog box appears here. Now I'm clicking on the desktop as I want to save it in the desktop, and then I am changing the file name to suppose pencil and clicking on the save option. This is how we can save a particular file using the shortcut keys, that is using the keyboard. Now, how to open a file in Wordpad that we have already saved. So go to the file option, click on open. After that, see, a dialog box appears on your screen. It's taking a time, and see, a dialog box has appeared here. Now as we have saved our file in the desktop, so select on desktop and search for your file here. You can find, see, pencil is there. So select on pencil and click on the open option. See, this is a file we have already saved. Now the another file, that is a rainy day file, I want to show you. So click on open and then select on the rainy day and select on open. See, this is a file. It is a rainy day. I'm going to school. It is there for you. Finally, we will learn closing Wordpad. It is very easy. You can close in many ways. First one I have already showed you. Click on this close button, that is this cross sign button. If you click on there, see, the window is closed. So I will show you two more options in which you can close Wordpad. The another option is go to the file menu, file option here, from then select exit. See, select exit. See, the window got closed. And another is the shortcut keys. Shortcut key, that is using your keyboard. Here you can press Alt, that is Alt, and F4 button. Using Alt and F4 button, you can close your window. See, I'm pressing from my keyboard and it got closed. This is how you can close your window. If you have any doubts, please comments below, and if you want to learn more, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.